to the world of joyful learning.
Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. So, dear students, this is our activities class. Okay? So, we will learn about wild animals. I want to say something about wild animals. Okay? Wild animals live in jungle. Wild animals live in jungles. Okay? Wild animals are very dangerous. Okay? And we can find wild animals in the zoo. Okay? So, we will learn 5 wild animals name. Okay? Tiger, lion, elephant, deer, bear. Tiger, lion, elephant, bear, deer. So, आज हम सीखेंगे स्वर. चित्र के साथ स्वर सीखेंगे. अ से अनार से, ओ से औरत. ओके? अ से अनार, आ से आम, ई से इमली, ई से इक, ऊ से उल्लू, ऊ से ऊन, री से ऋषि, ए से एड़ी, ऐसे ऐनक, ओ से ओखली, ओ से औरत. So students, you all this practiced it at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.